Time doesn't have to rush. It can flow. And MeisterSinger has always embraced this philosophy with its signature single-hand watches. Instead of the constant ticking of minute and second hands, one fine needle points almost to the minute, encouraging us to take a more relaxed view of time in a fast-paced world. Now, MeisterSinger introduces the Pangaea Aventurine, a watch that brings the beauty of the starry night sky to your wrist. But before exploring its mesmerizing dial, let's revisit the foundation. The Pangaea collection has been a cornerstone of the brand since 2013. From the day date to the vintage-inspired Pangaea 365, and now a permanent time-only edition housed in a 40mm polished stainless steel case with a slim bezel, fluted onion crown, and domed sapphire crystal. Inside, it beats with the reliable Sellita SW200 automatic movement, solid, serviceable, and true to MeisterSinger's values. The Aventurine takes this familiar canvas and transforms it. Crafted from genuine natural stone, not glass, the dial shimmers with mineral inclusions that mimic a star-filled sky. It's refined with gold-toned numerals, delicate dotted markers, and a single, white hand, all echoing the timeless elegance of the Pangaea 365. Paired with a cognac leather strap, the MeisterSinger Pangaea Aventurine is both understated and poetic, a permanent addition to the collection priced at €2,990. If you enjoyed this look at the MeisterSinger Pangaea Aventurine, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews of the finest mechanical watches.